Hey there and welcome! Today, I want to talk about something that every married couple faces: communication. Now I know that word gets thrown around a lot, but honestly, it's the foundation of any strong marriage. Whether you've just tied the knot or you're celebrating decades together, getting communication right makes everything in marriage better. So, let's dive into how to talk, listen, and truly connect with your spouse, like a pro. First off, what does communication in marriage really mean? It isn't just about talking, it's about connecting. It's how you express love, share your thoughts, solve problems, and build trust over time. In a healthy marriage, communication is honest, respectful, and intentional. Most importantly, it's a two-way street, talking and listening. Let me give you a quick example. Imagine your partner comes home after a rough day and seems distant. Instead of accusing like, "You're ignoring me again," try, "Hey, you seem quiet today, everything okay?" That small shift opens a door for connection instead of conflict. So, how do you actually communicate better with your spouse? Let's break it down into some super simple, practical tips. First, be present. Seriously, put down your phone, turn off the TV, and give your full attention. When your partner talks, try looking them in the eye, nodding, and letting them know you're there. It sounds basic, but it shows you care. Next up, use I statements. This is a game changer. Instead of saying, "You never help with anything," say, "I feel overwhelmed when I have to do everything alone. Can we work on sharing the chores?" See the difference? It's about sharing your feelings, not blaming. Listening is just as important as talking. Listen to understand, not to react. Don't plan your comeback while they're speaking, just listen. A great trick? Repeat back what you heard. So what I'm hearing is, "You felt hurt when I forgot to call." Is that right? It shows you care, and it clears up misunderstandings fast. Okay, let's talk about some common communication roadblocks in marriage, and how to fix them. First, the silent treatment or stonewalling. One partner shuts down and goes silent. If this happens, gently ask for a time to talk when you're both calm. "Can we talk later when we've both cooled off?" Another one, interrupting or talking over each other. This makes your spouse feel unheard. Try practicing the pause, let them finish before you jump in. And then, there's misunderstanding each other because of assumptions. Like your spouse says, "Did you clean the kitchen?" And you instantly snap, "What, are you saying I'm lazy?" Instead ask, "Do you think I forgot, or were you just asking?" Clarity goes a long way. Building better communication takes practice. Try scheduling regular check-ins, even just 10 minutes a day to talk, no distractions. If talking face-to-face feels hard, write little notes or messages. Use fun conversation starters to get to know each other again. And don't forget simple kindnesses. A "thank you," "I appreciate you," or "I love you" can change the whole vibe of your day. At the end of the day, communication in marriage isn't about always agreeing. It's about understanding and staying connected through every season of life. So here's my challenge for you. Tonight, ask your spouse, "What's one thing I can do this week to make you feel more loved?" It's a small question, but it can open up big conversations. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with someone who might need it. Communication is the bridge. Let's build it together. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.